Start with a dot. Draw lines to connect the corners and sides of your paper with the dot. It helps if you space the lines evenly. For this image, all my lines were 3 inches apart at their base. Next, draw a box about an inch away from the sides of your paper. Draw another box inside that first box. Pick a side and begin adding parallel lines that get gradually closer together the closer they get to the center. Using the lines you just drew as a guide, repeat this step with the other 3 sides. It's okay if the lines close to the center start to blur together a bit. You could stop here, or you could increase the illusion by adding a pattern. Add a checkered pattern by coloring in every other box on each row. Once you've finished your pattern, you've got yourself a mildly creepy perspective illusion. Thanks for making it to the end, and if you try this, please do what I'd love to see